Today we're doing a review of the Goal Zero Light-A-Light mini lanterns, and this has turned into one of my favorite car camping accessories that I have in my Honda Element. This is a USB powered lantern, and it comes with 4 of them. So you have 1, 2, 3, and then 4. And what's really cool about these is that they're powered by just a simple USB cable, and they're also chainable. So once I plug this one in and I turn it on, all the other ones will turn on. And the way I power it is I just have this little simple battery bank here. I got this off of Amazon. It was like 20 bucks or so. With this little battery pack, it's able to charge these lanterns for multiple days. I've used it for multi-day trips, and it's awesome. And it really changes the ambiance inside of the Element, especially when you're camping at night. And I have these ones hanging in the back, and they make really great lights for when I'm cooking. So when I'm cooking in the back of the Element here on the tailgate, I'm able to use these lights to light up the area. But they also can be covered with different colors. So we've got the yellow, the orange, we've got the blue, and we have the green. When you buy the set, it comes with this little bag here, and it also comes with the white covers. So if you want a little bit more of like fluorescent lighting, you can use the white covers. If you want a bit more of like mood lighting, you can use these yellow covers. And the way I installed it is really simple in my car. I just kind of tucked the wire underneath the liner of my Honda Element, and then it has a little hook here. I just use the carabiners that are included in the kit. I carabinered it all the way across, so then now when I'm out camping, I can just flip the switch to the one that's connected here, and then they'll all turn on, which is really nice. Let me go ahead and plug it in real quick so you can see how that works. I've got my battery kit here. Let's go ahead and just plug that in. So now that's plugged in, I'm just going to turn this little thing on. Oh, it's almost dead, but it should work. And then now I can click the light and it turns on. So it's got bright, it's got really bright, just depending on your mood. And then also it unfolds, so let me do that real quick. You can pull it out like this and it'll make it a little bit, it'll have more of the green color when you hit the light. Pretty sweet. So yeah, let me plug this in to here and you can see them all turn on at the same time. I'm just gonna plug this in here. Now, I turn this one on. I can turn this one on and this one on. So now I've got all 4 lights on. Oh, this one's not on. All 4 lights on at the same time, and they're all connected into this little power kit here, which I have just hanging in my backpack. Pretty cool, huh? So here we are camping at night. I'm gonna go ahead and flip that on. And yeah, it gives you that really nice kind of yellow color, and then you can hit it again. And then you get the super bright. And then I got the orange. So you can kind of do that. You can see the blue. And like, it's cool. Like if you turn the other colors off, then you can really get an idea of what the blue is like. Really cool green color. So it's something fun to play with when you're out camping or car camping. You can see how it's not pulled down all the way, so you get a lot of that white light, but to pull it down, it gives you a bit more of that red hue, which I think is pretty cool. This is kind of what it looks like at night. It's just super beautiful lights, super bright, and it's really good when I'm cooking or just hanging out in the back of the Element late at night. I think it's a great deal for what you get, and it's much better than those little $5 accessory lights you find on Amazon. I've tried those before, but this gives just far superior lighting, and they're much better quality. And you want something that's super reliable, especially when you're out camping. You don't want something to fail on you. So what I'll do is I'll leave links down below in the description, you guys. So if you want to add these to your car camping kit, they're also great for like backpacking or just regular tent camping. I'll leave the link down below in the description so you guys can check that out. Thank you so much for watching this channel, and we'll see you in the next video.